What a great place this is. Just been having a quick look at the bikes, a bit of a nosy. So it's day one and I've had my first mechanical. What happened is, and it's probably as a result of last week's Dirty Reaver, the exo rail which holds my bag in place came off, popped out. Well, I appear to have gone up a hill. About 120 metres above sea level right now.
Gnarly, right?
Big drums inside my ears.
In the summertime and the weather is hot, you can reach right up and touch the sky. Oh, legs are out, arms are out. The generosity of the French. Help yourself. We've got wine, beer, water. Hello folks, I'm at the bridge at Brest. Quick 360, that side and the other side. Finally made it to Brest. Just another 600 to do. Thursday. No, it's not, it's Wednesday. Well, hello folks, as you can see, I'm no longer in the countryside, I'm no longer on the bike. It's Friday, PPP is over. Basically, I did it, I finished. 82 hours and 41 minutes was my finishing time. Here I am at the start of the Transcontinental Race. Atmosphere is buzzing.
Goedenavond Gerardsbergen, goedenavond beste sportliefhebbers. Welkom op de markt van Gerardsbergen. In a few moments you will meet the cobblestones of our muur. You will take part in a great adventure. An epic race for 4,000 kilometers that will take you to Czechia, Italy, Montenegro, Romania, Bulgaria, to the borders of the Black Sea.
2.5 hours sleep. 100k a day, it's kind of a target I'm aiming for really. Hey folks, how you doing? Checked into my first hotel of the Transcontinental Race, number 8. Ooh, 8 days in, first hotel. So I've got all my clothes up here, drip drying at the moment. Some more clothes getting a bit of a wash. I'll be going through those with a towel. I want to get down to that sea. I don't know how far the sea is away, but I'm off in it. Oh my god, that energy drink's got a name written all over it. That. You'll have to try one of those, and it comes in purple as well. TCR number 8, parkour number 4, dual most strategic. 1,283 metres of gravel riding on a road race. Okay, 999 metres to go. I'm feeling a little bit like that house at the moment. Sick of pushing my bike. Fucking hell. Why did I sign up for this again? I've had so many low moments in Romania. Fucking dogs. They don't have dog leads over here, do they? I've arrived in Burgas. Just heading down to the end of the parkour. Yes. Made it to the finish line of the TCR number 8.